So ngayon, meron tayong very interesting video and that is explaining all buttons and functions of the Canon F789 SGA. So kung kabibili nyo pa lang ng calculator na ito at kailangan nyo ng guide to help you start, or kung graduate na kayo at gagamitin nyo na ito sa board exam at medyo alam nyo na gamitin yung calculator and you just need to understand a few more functions, yan, makakatulong yung video na ito para sa inyo. And take note nyo lang na this is from a civil engineer's perspective. So, kung ano yung mga functions na gamit talaga sa course natin, i-emphasize natin. At yung mga hindi naman ganun kadalas gamitin, dadaanan lang natin siya. So, sige, start na tayo with the on button. So, syempre, alam natin lahat yung ginagawa ng on button. It wakes up the calculator. At paano siya i-off? Just press shift, then CA or off. One thing to take note about the on button is hindi nyo dapat siya ginagamit palagi or hindi nyo dapat siya pinipindot palagi while doing calculations. What do I mean by that? Marami kasi akong students na pagka nagka-calculate sila, so for example, 1 plus 1 equals, bago nila i-type yung next equation, yan, nagpe-press sila ng on. Hindi dapat ganun. Ang dapat nyong gawin is just write the next equation afterwards. So, 2 plus 2 equals 3 plus 3 equals, o kaya just press CA. Yan. CA before you type in your next equation. Bakit ganun? Kasi this way, pwede nyong balikan yung previous equations nyo using yung up and down arrows. Diba? Na kita natin ulit yung 3 plus 3, yung 2 plus 2, na nakaka-navigate tayo. Whereas kapag, let's say, nag 1 plus 1 tayo and then equals, tapos on, 2 plus 2 equals, then on. Yan. Hindi nyo na mababalikan. If you press yung up or down arrow, yan. Wala na kayong mababalikan na equation. And very time consuming yun kapag kailangan nyo i-type yung same equation or kapag kailangan yung maalala ano yung mga naging operations nyo before. Yan. Just don't press on. If anything, just press CA to really refresh yung screen ng calculator nyo. Okay? Next is ito, yung mode. Kapag ipipress natin yung mode, yan, meron tayong makikitang iba't ibang functions. Yan. So, iisa-isahin natin yan. Pero, ang uunahin natin, syempre, is itong comp. Comp means, I think, computer. or compute. Basically, yung kung ano yung ma-expect nyo from a scientific calculator. Or most ng functions na gagamitin nyo is nandito sa comp. Sana natulungan kayo ng video na ito. If you want more tips like this, subscribe kayo sa aming channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching.